Meter catching. You know what? Meter catching, one of the behavior back in the wild, especially the young ones, by chopping leaves and catching them in the air. And also, indulge rin po sila kleptoparassitism. Ibig sabihin nun, isang animal nagsasnatch or nagsteals ng food from other animals. So, po yan, pakita mo natin. Once we're snatching food. There we go. Wow! So, wow. And also, guys, kung napapansin po ninyo, ayan, napakaliit. Small amount na po ng karne yung hawak-hawak ng mga trainers natin. You know what? Their eyesight, ay nakakakita po sila 1 to 1.5 miles away. Kaya mga cameras niyo, zoom 3 times, 2 times, 3 times, so yun po yung nakikita nila. And also, Brahmanikites was first described by a Dutch naturalist way back 1783. At kung napapansin po ninyo, wala tayong Philippine Eagle dito. Yan sila po yung animal ambassadors natin for our Philippine Eagle. Dahil nga naman, meron po nga Philippine Eagle Foundation. Yan doon po sila. Okay, one more po yan. For the finale, better catching. Wow! So, mempla. Okay, guys, but don't worry. During the last part of our Charlie here is a white umbrella jacket with its scientific and kakatuwaan ba. And if you observe, pagdapo niya banda dito, ito maas yung bandang ulo na nag-form na parang umbrella. That is why we call them white umbrella jacket. And together with him, a partner po niya, si Honey. Honey naman here is a sulfur-crested. If you observe that yellow-crested, sulfur-crested kakadu with its scientific name, Kakatuwa galerita. If you observe, sa scientific name pa lang talagang nakakaano na? Nakakatuwa na. At syempre, this afternoon, as I said a while ago, mahilig po sila sa sports. At ang gagawin lang naman po nila, magpe-perform lang naman sila basketball. Ayan, maglalaro na naman ng basketball. So guys, para mas magiging masaya itong dalawang animal ambassadors natin, we need to divide the house. Kailangan namin hatinin yung we need to divide the house into 2 groups. So syempre, start dito kay ma'am. Start sa'yo, ma'am. Yes, ikaw. Start sa'yo. And dito na side, Team Charlie. Team Charlie tayo. And on this side naman, start naman dito kay ma'am naka-t-shirt, I guess, orange. Start kay ma'am. And dito na side, Team Honey naman tayo. And also guys, for the birds to perform well, we need to cheer them. Sample cheer ng Team Charlie, 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 Charlie. Sample cheer ng Team Honey, 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 Honey. Okay guys, let me hear your voice. Sample cheer, Team Charlie. Let's go, Ayan ako, 1 point na si Honey. Come on! I can hear you guys cheer! 1 point na lang kay Charlie. Come on, si Honey! Another point! Charlie! Charlie! Honey! Honey! Another point na lang kay Charlie. Another point na lang kay Honey. 3 more points left. Come on, guys! I can hear you! Cheer! Another points! Dalawa na lang. Come on! Charlie! Charlie! Honey! Honey! Mga si Charlie po na ng points. Isang bola na lang. Here we go! Wow! Galing! Siyempre, obviously, nanalo. Team Honey! There we go, guys. Parang baka naman dahil. Worth it yung sigaw natin. At siyempre, guys, aside from playing basketball, there you go, for a trial. Ayun, magaling naman pala. Ready ka na? Trial pa lang yan. Ready ka na this time? Alay ka sir. Hintayin natin si Kuya. Ayan. Siyempre, obviously, makakalaban din ngayon si Honey. Tingnan natin who is the best. Honey, or atong babatiyan natin. Are you ready? Okay, let's count 3. 1, 2, 3, go! There you go! Oh! Galing ni ate. Mukhang ano lang yan. Sumemplang lang. Try natin agad. Ready ka na this time? There we go! 1, 2, 3, go! There you go! Ayan, naka 1 point si ate. Ngayon, chance na ni Honey. Dito ka ate. Panawarin mo kung paano gagawin niya. Doon ka. Dito ka. I guess we're ready na. Let's do it, Honey. Come on. There you go! Saan dito ako? Mukhang ikaw yung tapos yung patambahin natin. There you go! Let's do it, Honey! There you go, guys! One! Wow! Paano yan? Talo ka! Nasa mga isa pang mirror. Dito ka, gusto mo malapit, dito ka, lapit ka. Okay. Okay, this time. Okay, guys, ready to set it. Let's do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayun! Galing ni ate. Okay, dito ka. Okay. Si Hannah ulit. Okay, dito ate. Okay, there we go. Come on, honey. There we go. Let's do it, honey. Come on. There you go. Wow! Paano yan? Ano masasabi mo, ate? Speechless siya. That's gonna be a challenge, of course. And